In this video, we're going to show you how to make desktop icons smaller on your Windows 11 device. Changing the size of the icons on Windows 11 is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Right-click on your desktop and select the View option from the context menu. You will see all available options: large icons, medium icons, and small icons. If you want to make it smaller, select Small Icons. Alternatively, select Large Icons to make the icons larger. In the next method, we will make use of keyboard shortcuts to do the same. As you may have noticed, each option has a distinct set of hotkeys for easy and quick execution. Here are the commands for them. Click on the desktop. Now, for small icons, you can press Ctrl-Shift-4 and they will change. For medium icons, you can press Ctrl-Shift-3, and for large icons, you can press Ctrl-Shift-2, and they will change. Wasn't it simple? There you go. All the icons will become smaller in the folders. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.